What's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to this vlog. Okay? So you know what, y'all? I want to tell y'all something. I never in my life thought that I would be on here on my show talking about the Steve Wilkos show. Okay? I never thought I would ever talk about the Steve Wilkos show, you know? Yes, indeed. But you know what? This episode was so funny and stuff like that. This about a man that sexually molested his own daughter. Okay, and let me tell y'all something. His DNA was found on the child's underwear and private area and everywhere on them. You know, and guess what? The wife is still in denial. Okay, so she was on there. Acting so gullible, acting so stupid. All I can do is laugh. You know what? I don't know no body language. I cannot read body language at all. But I can sense she's stupid and gullible. I can sense that. You know. Oh my God. Let me tell y'all something. This man was going crazy when he failed the lie detector test. Okay? Why was your DNA on your daughter? Okay? When he failed the lie detector test, I'm about to act this out. Oh my God! Oh my God! This can't be happening! Oh my God! Oh my God! This can't be happening! Oh my God! Oh my God! I shouldn't have came here! I shouldn't have came here! Yes, indeed, y'all. That dude, oh my God, jumping around like a maniac, you know? Oh my God. Yeah, all I can do is laugh, y'all. That's all I can do is laugh. Yes, indeed. Oh my God! Oh my God! I shouldn't have came here. He said, "I'm gonna die in there. I'm gonna die in here." Yes, indeed, y'all. All right. Let me ask y'all something. Do y'all watch the Steve Wilkos show? I want to know. I want to know where Dan Reeperkoff is. You know, I sure would like to know his taking about this idiot acting all stupid, ranting and raving, going pecans and stuff like that, you know? Yeah, I have to act that out, you know? Well, that's not emotional breakdown. That's called you feel guilty. I'm so guilty, I'm scared to go to jail. You know what it is? Guess what? I sure hope he go to prison, bro. I really hope that dude go to prison. Because guess what? They sure gonna be raping him in prison. They sure gonna rape him in prison. Yes, indeed. Them fools, them prisoners sure gonna be raping them. Making them wash their drawers and everything, wash their clothes and all that. I bet them prisoners gonna finally touch his you know what and his butthole. Yes, indeed, y'all. That is totally funny. That is completely funny. What a douchebag. I'm sorry for calling names though, but that was funny. That was totally funny. All right, so I'm about to go finish watching the rest of the Steve Wilkos, okay? And if I have anything to say, I'll be right back. All right, bye.